Hi, I'm Mark Willis with the National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina. I'm here to talk a little bit about rip currents in the coastal Carolinas, what they are, why we care about them, and what to do if you're caught in a rip current or you happen to see somebody else caught in a rip current. A rip current is simply a localized current that flows away from the shoreline and towards the ocean. We care about rip currents because they can quickly pull swimmers out into the ocean, which can lead to trouble. In addition, rip currents are the #1 weather-related killer in the coastal Carolinas. Each year, there are sadly about 7 fatalities in the Carolinas from rip currents. These incidents come from people that live both near the coast and far from the coast, as shown in this image here. So if you're planning a trip to a beach in the Carolinas this summer, great. We hope you enjoy your trip on our beautiful beaches, but please be aware of the dangers of rip currents. Always swim near a lifeguarded beach and know what to do when caught in a rip current. If you happen to get caught in a rip current, remain calm. If you can't escape, float or tread water, and if you need help, yell or wave for assistance. Instead of swimming against the current, swim parallel to the shoreline until you are out of the current and then swim back towards the shore. If you see somebody that's caught in a rip current, the most important thing is to not put yourself at risk. Unfortunately, several fatalities occur each year from people trying to help others that are caught in a rip current. If you find yourself in this situation, get help from a lifeguard, and if one is not present, call 911, and then try to direct the victim to swim parallel to the shoreline to escape the current. If possible, throw the victim something that floats, but never enter the water without a flotation device. For more information, visit ripcurrents.noaa.gov. And for our latest surf and rip current forecast, visit weather.gov/beach/ILM. We hope you have a safe and enjoyable summer on the beaches of the Carolinas this year.